Another day, another new look of Galaxy S26 Ultra. This time we got two new updates about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. One is more related to the hands-on look of Galaxy S26 series, and the other one is the trailer video of Galaxy S26 Ultra. So first of all, this is the new look of Galaxy S26 Ultra, but this is not the S26 Ultra. Instead, this one is the S26 Plus. So this is similar to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So the front of the phone just looked like the S26 Plus, but the back of the phone actually tells a lot of things because the design of the cameras is changed, and there's this numbering on the back. Either it is a prototype or this is a review unit that Samsung gave to reviewers. So this is either that one or the prototype of Galaxy S26 Plus. This phone actually looks good, and this is how the Galaxy S26 Ultra also looks like. Now the second thing, which is more related to the teaser of Galaxy S26 Ultra, Aishinver shared this teaser and he said this video vividly reflects the importance of the Galaxy S26 Ultra privacy display, allowing those who secretly peek at your phone in the subway to leave without realizing it. So this is a really handy feature on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this feature will revolutionize the display in the smartphone market. We got more updates about the Galaxy S26 Ultra as well. So Evan Blast, the king of leaker, actually shared the 360-degree view of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and there are a couple of things we need to notice. At first, yes, on the back the phone is changed. We got the camera bumps and it looks much better compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I personally like it, but some people like it and some people don't. But yes, this phone will wobble on the table, not like the S25 Ultra, but like the Z Fold 7. The second thing, if you notice or not, and most of people would not notice it, the S Pen clickable button. We thought it will flush with the frame, but it's not. So when we pay attention to it, it is slightly outside of the phone, which makes sense from the previous Galaxy phones, but not for this phone, because when we saw renders, it was flush with the frame. The third thing is the rounded design. Yes, from the front, it looks like the Galaxy S26 base model or S26 Plus, but this phone is actually the Galaxy S26 Ultra, only if we see back of the phone because we got 4 cameras on the back. Yeah, these are the new updates coming on the Galaxy S26 Ultra design. Now let's talk about what are the 4 display changes. Well, Aishinverse actually detailed them down. According to Aishinverse, first, the Galaxy S26 Ultra features slightly more rounded corners, giving a softer overall appearance. I already talked about that. Second, the front camera cutout on the Galaxy S26 Ultra is a bit larger. This is due to a wider field of view for the front camera, which theoretically allows more people to fit into group selfies. Third one, there is no difference in bezel's width between the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the S25 Ultra. Fourth, the S26 Ultra has a marginally larger display. It measures at 6.89 inches compared to the 6.86 inches on the S25 Ultra. These are the 4 main changes on the Galaxy S26 Ultra display, and yeah, there are other updates like the privacy display, M14 panel, and a lot of more updates coming on the S26 Ultra display. So we got the actual official S Pens of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and yeah, we only got 2 color options in it, black and white, but the actual clickable button of the S Pen is changing. First, the design of the clickable button is changed because it's not pushed to the edge, but there's one more important thing, as it will get the color options. Yes, so it will match the frame of the color. So we are getting 4 official color options of the Galaxy S26 Ultra: black, white, cobalt violet, and the sky blue. So these are the tips of the Galaxy S26 Ultra S Pens, and all of those colors are available, but the actual color of the S Pen is only 2, black and white. And even Aishinver said the white pen holder of the Galaxy S Pen you see looks exactly like the white back cover of the S26 Ultra. I think the white color option will look really good on S26 Ultra, and I personally think the white color and probably one leaked silver color option that the S26 Ultra is actually coming, and it will look really polished because we are getting some online exclusive color from Samsung's official website. Although if you want to get S25 Ultra, it's on a deal right now, which you can avail prior listed in this video. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.